In this video, you guys, we will be changing the air filter and the interior filter, which is a cheap replacement and very easy to do it on yourself. So watch the entire video as I explain step by step how to do this on this Mark 5 GTI. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dutch Mike and today we'll be changing the air filter and the interior filter for really cheap. I got these 10 euros a piece and we're gonna change them ourselves, which is pretty easy on the Golf Mark 5 GTI or any Golf. I'm gonna show you this step by step, but I just wanted to show this is really cheap, and if you get this done by a car mechanic shop, it's gonna cost you because it's really easy and they make a lot of money out of it. So please do this yourself. So let's go to the first one, is the interior filter. Right, so guys, first up is the interior filter. This is the passenger side. Let me show you. As you can see, passenger side, this is my phone. Under here there is this filter. Now this is the one you need to have. This is the best one possible to get right now. Don't mind the little junk, because I already opened it once and this fell out. So yeah, safe to say we have to replace it. It's really easy. Let me see if I can show you. Yes, we have this plastic here. There are two screws from also plastic. You can just screw them loose, which goes to something like this. See? Just two plastic screws, okay? Only one way you can unscrew them and screw them back on. Ta-da! And now you pull the entire foam, actually it is. You pull it down and out. Let's leave that on the side. Now, as you can see, this one right there, this is the box where you can put the filter in and out, right here. So what you do is you click this to the right and it falls out, and there you have it, you guys. That is the filter, and you just pull it right down. That's it. Now as you can see, the filter is pretty dirty and we already cleaned it once. So this is the way it came out, like this. Let's unbox the new one. Unboxing is always fun. Well guys, as you can see, left is the new one, on the right is the old one. Now the good part is this thing goes in only one way, and as you can see, on the bottom you have a little holes and they will fit into this one. So it will go a little like this. Now you put this one back in and just swipe the plastic to the left and you're all done. Well, you have to still get the plastic piece back, but that's not a problem. Well guys, the interior filter is in. It's not difficult, just swipe the plastic to the left, get the plastic back on, the foam if you will, and just screw the two plastic screws back in and you're done. Now next up is the air filter. Oh, and guys, I kind of forgot, when you buy the filter from Bosch, they get you a manual with it. You can see the types of car this goes into and exactly how to do this. Yeah, very easy. As I showed you, it's a long paper, but well, it kind of shows that I was right all along. Well, air filter should be easy. Just pop the hood, unbox this thing, and we'll show you what a new one looks like exactly. This is how it new looks. which is pretty easy. Well, I didn't open the air filter before, but I'm guessing it's pretty dirty. Right, so what we gotta do, and I believe I have the wrong air filter, but we're gonna see it in a minute. The entire cover has to come off, yeah? So what we're gonna do is release that clamp right there and release that sensor and the two clamps over there. So that will make sure we can pop the entire cover. Make sure you're careful with the sensor. Other than that, you should be fine. Well, let's go to work. The only thing you need for this is a clamp, yeah, we call it a water pump tongue, eh? And a screwdriver Phillips screw. So yeah, let's get to it. First we unleash this clamp right here. Almost there. There we go. That one is off. Now we have to get this little bugger off as well. And these two clamps, you can just make them open with your hand. And this one, well, this one goes a little tiresome sometimes, so you need a little help pushing it. There we go. Now let's put that to the side. A little bit to the side, or not, whatever. And now we get this one off. This one clicks right off. Now what we got to do is pull this engine cover off. Now you can just pull it, but I want to be careful too, because I don't want to break anything.
1 hour later.
Well, after just a little bit of wiggling, we got to separate it. So now what you need to be doing is be really careful for this. Other than that, turn it over. And behind of this is the air filter. Not that hard, is it? So now what we got to do is just screw it open, which shouldn't be that much of a problem because they're all easy access screws. There. And you need to open them all. Go. Now it's held in place by these rubber ligaments, so you can just pull it off from the engine cover, I mean. So it's pretty easy, but you need to be careful. You know, you don't want to damage it. So next shot will be this right here. Now all the screws are loose as far as I know. This little heat shield has to stay on because this will protect the gasoline pipe which I have there for the interior heating, for the extra heating while the engine is not running, so I can defrost it. Now what we have to do is separate it all. Yep. Now that was pretty easy, right? And this is the part where we find out that these filters don't quite match up, do they? So now we can put it all back together and order the right one. You know guys, these things happens when you order stuff online, but yeah, it sucks, but yeah, you know, I can get mad about it, but this one still looks pretty decent to me. It is dirty, but it's not as dirty as I have expected it to be, but yeah, too bad we can't change it right now. So now all we have to do is put it back together, but at least you get to see how it's done, okay? So yeah, let's put it back together. Well guys, sadly the air filter did not fit, but yeah, at least I showed you how it's done. Other than that, the interior filter did fit. Now we did go with the carbon one, which is the most expensive one, and only that was like 10 euros. So for Golf GTI stuff are not expensive. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I learned you something in this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what else you want to see from this car. Other than that, a couple of cool stuff are coming up, so don't forget to subscribe down below here somewhere, and I will catch you guys the next time. See you later guys.